Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. It is about 1/10 of an AU away, and 1 AU is the distance between the Earth and the Sun. Also, Mercury has a very little atmosphere, and that's why it can get down to negative 200 degrees on the far side of Mercury. If you stood on Mercury, you would die because there's no atmosphere, and it goes between negative 200 degrees and 800 degrees Fahrenheit, or about negative 50 degrees and like 400 degrees Celsius. So don't stand on Mercury, because it's gonna kill you. No probes have been sent to Mercury because, if you go on the near side, the one that's closer to the Sun, your spaceship will melt because it's like 800 degrees there. And if you're on the cold side, your spaceship will just freeze. This spaceship right here, that actually doesn't exist, but I'm just using a physics simulator, it's actually between the near and far side. And if it did a full orbit, it would just melt. And the probe I'm using is actually the New Horizons probe, which is going to Pluto, not Mercury. The more you know. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system, and Pluto is not a planet. Mercury is actually the second hottest planet, although it is the closest to the Sun. Venus is hotter, which is weird. Mercury is only 4 times the size of the Moon. Mercury has a core that takes 85% of the entire planet. It is also the densest planet in the solar system for that reason, and I am talking really fast. Mercury has 0 moons because really just the moons are just gonna get melted and then exploded into a million pieces. Probably actually not. Probably they turn into like a ring or something. Why doesn't Mercury have a ring? Can I tell you why Mercury doesn't have rings? Because physics. Mercury doesn't have rings because if an asteroid were to get that close, it would probably just crash into Mercury. So, yeah. Mercury is the densest planet in the solar system. And also, Mercury is actually a very, very small planet. Smaller than about 99.998% of planets. The more you know. No, yay. Yay. Thank you for watching Universal Show. We use this by using Universe Sandbox Squared. And thanks for watching. We'll see you in the Venus episode. Because it's Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. We will do Pluto, but yeah. Pluto is not a planet.